A viewer commented on my previous video about testing this smoke alarm to see if the test button actually tests it, and I thought to try their experiment. This is a Raspberry Pi no IR camera. This camera doesn't have an infrared filter, so it can see infrared light, and it's connected to this Raspberry Pi single board computer. I've opened my smoke alarm once again, where the chamber's exposed, and you can see the LED, and let's see what happens. I'll put the battery in. That. Let's take a look. Now the camera's looking at the infrared LED, which is this, and I'll turn off the light. Let's see. Oh, it blinked. Blinked again. Now I will press this test button, which is blinking way faster. It beeped. So it knows there's a fault. That's very interesting. Let's try once again. It keeps on blinking. With the room lights off, I'll remove this. Alright. It's not going into an alarm yet. The LED is blinking. Shut up! Hush. Hush. Oh my god. Okay. Ah. I guess that proves the test button tests the alarm sensing chamber in these photoelectric smoke alarms.